background and definitions. For answering the question what to count to recycling and recovery, we as the RepTool expert group followed the legal background given by the European legislation, like the WE Directive, the Waste Framework Directive, but also Commission decisions. We considered applicable judgments of the European Court, like to consider a regular municipal waste incineration plant as disposal, or the case law of Maya Perry to consider only final treatment processes as recycling or recovery operations. And we followed the changes of the recycling definition. With this, we did come to the RepTool model classifications, as we call them. This model classification is the main basis for the harmonized way of calculating recycling and recovery results. We provide a model classification for the work under the WE Directive 2002, see Model 1, also shown in the list of available reports, and we provide a model classification for the work under the WE Directive 2012, referring to the Waste Framework Directive 2008. See Model 2. Until the WE Directive 2002, the definition of recycling was given in the WE Directive. Here it is said that recycling means the reprocessing in a production process, excluding energy recovery. The WE Directive 2012 does not provide own definitions of waste or waste management terms, but refers, see Article 3.2, to the Waste Framework Directive 2008. In the Waste Framework Directive 2008, there is a more stricter definition of recycling given, which says recycling means any recovery operation by which waste materials are reprocessed into products, materials or substances, whether for the original purpose or other purposes. It excludes backfilling operations by definition. For explaining you the background on what we have considered to come to our decisions, please have a look at our website under Guidance Documents. What's new with Model 2? Main differences between Model 1 and Model 2 is the definition and interpretation of recycling in cases of plastics being used as reducing agent in, e.g. a copper smelter, will not be classified as recycling anymore. C. No products are achieved. Carbon will leave the process as CO2. For metals being used as reducing agent and going to the slag, the question on the use of the slag as product will have to be answered. For glass being used as slag building detergent and going to the slag, also the question on the use of slag as a product will have to be answered. The use of only the volume and or the physical properties of the waste fractions, like an unspecific construction material for dams, fills and filling of shafts, as cover material at landfill sites, or for driveway construction at landfill sites, is out of the recycling definition, as it is backfilling, e.g. in salt mines, by the recycling definition. These applications do not meet the recycling definition, but they do meet the recovery definition as waste fractions, as they are being used for a useful purpose and do fulfill a particular function. For uses of wastes which do not meet the recycling definition, but which are in the recovery definition, we inserted the interim term of OMR, Other Material Recovery. Again, please see the guidance document What's New with Model 2 on this.